Welcome back. Every passing year, IFFI is growing bigger and better. Chief Executive Officer of Entertainment Society of Goa, Manoj Srivastav, exclusively speaking to Prudent Media, said that the foreign filmmakers who were actually skipping IFFI are now turning their attention towards the festival. Sections in IFFI are increased from 9 to 19 this year. Goa is gearing up to enjoy the most luminous IFFI on 23rd November. Preparations for IFFI are in full swing. Most interestingly, foreign filmmakers might make their presence felt at IFFI, which never happened earlier.
Now the festival is growing. Earlier on, we used to have about 150 to 200 films. But now you have about 400, 500 films participating in IFFI. So, which has never happened. From the past 1 year, it's growing immensely. And now you have, earlier on you had only 9 sections. Now you have as many as 19 sections in the festival overall. Now there's a film market which is growing. Now there's a short film center market which is growing. Now there's the festival itself is growing. The festival has 4 lounges, which has never happened. The number of facilities that are coming up is enormous.
Srivastav also informed that participation of movies in IFFI is increasing tremendously. The number of sections in IFFI is gone up to 19 from the traditional 9 sections.
Kind of interest that the festival is inviting from foreigners, that is tremendous. That is a new thing which is changing the face of IFFI. It's becoming more professional. And also the core of the festival is changing towards cinema and the business of cinema, which is what the festivals are all about.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Shah Nawaz Mayadi. Bail hearing of the Lanshire's fugitive Ajay Kaushal is postponed for Friday morning at Sessions Court in Madgaon. Lanshire's fugitive Ajay Kaushal's advocate has asked for the postponement on Thursday. Earlier on Wednesday, Ajay Kaushal was remanded to 5 days judicial custody.
Ajay Kaushal, the fugitive on the run, was caught in Hotel Amigo Plaza at Kolwa on Monday night. Ajay Kaushal was convicted by Greater Manchester Police under Kidnapping and Serious Violence Acts in 2003. He ran away from England, and after his escape, Preston Crown Court awarded him a 15-year sentence in 2005. Ajay Kaushal switched countries, dodging the sentence of England court, and came to Goa from Bangkok. According to reliable sources, convict Kaushal stayed in Goa for more than 3 years with a woman. Ajay Kaushal came into focus due to the death of a British national, William Scott, who was very friendly with him. William stayed in the same hotel where Ajay Kaushal had made his last halt. But this was the last safer destination for Ajay Kaushal, as a tip from a journalist helped Goa police to nab the most wanted criminal of Lancashire. Goa police have informed England police and they are on their way to acquire the custody of Ajay Kaushal. Ajay Kaushal is currently under 5 days judicial custody and he has applied for bail in the Sessions Court on Wednesday. His hearing for bail was scheduled on Thursday, but Kaushal's advocate Rajiv Gomes requested the court to postpone the hearing for Friday. We asked Advocate Rajiv Gomes the reason for postponement of hearing and he replied to us on the phone.
It is fixed tomorrow. In fact, I have asked for time to argue the matter. It is fixed tomorrow for arguments in the morning. I asked for tomorrow's date because I just received the reply today. So I told the judge that I require some time to actually argue the case tomorrow.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Sluice gate burst at Kalvi Aldona has resulted in loss to the farmers. The fields which were ready for harvesting are washed away. Farmers are now demanding some assistance from the government.
The sluice gate bursted at Kalvi Aldona. Water entered the fields of farmers and got accumulated. This has caused loss to the farmers. The ready crops are spoiled. Farmers have now demanded some assistance from the government.
ताका लागून आमची शेतां बुडून उरलीं आनी शेताक आमकां लुकसाण जाली. जवळ जवळ म्हाका 26,000 वयर लुकसाण जाल्ली आसा. तेन्ना हांव सरकारा कडेन मागतां की लुकसाण भरपाई म्हाका दिवची म्हणून.
लुकसाण म्हणून एक्झॅक्टली कितें जालां?
एक्झॅक्टली भात सगळें बुडल्या कारणान पिकलेले भाताक कोंब येवन परत दुसरें भात थंय तयार जाल्लें आसा आनी तें आतां लुवपाक विभाग मेळपाचें ना आनी ताका लागून ही म्हाका लुकसाण सोंसची पडटली.
कितले लुकसाण जालां सादारण?
उसकोणी एटलीस्ट 6,000 सुमार जातले.
At present, farmers have tried to stop the water with the help of mud bags, but still the water leakage is damaging the field. A reporter from Kalvi, Uday Parav, for Prudent Media.
Painting are a reflection of an artist's interpretation. Every person has vivid memories of happenings around us. Recreating memories on canvas is something what every artist strives to achieve, and that's what Bernadette Gomes has done through her paintings.
Bernadette Gomes inaugurated her maiden art exhibition titled Madani at the Menezes Braganza Hall in Panji. Despite being in the teaching profession for 20 years, Bernadette kept the artist in her alive. Bernadette, who hails from Saint Estevan, has given a rustic feel to her paintings, highlighting the rural Goan folklore, which are her childhood memories. Director of Art and Culture Department Prasad Lolyankar, who threw open the exhibition, had this to say.
चित्रकार बेर्नाडेट गोम्स हाचें हें चित्र प्रदर्शन आज हांगा उद्घाटन जालां ताजें आनी ताजें उद्घाटन करतना म्हाका चड बरें दिसता आनी आनंद जाता कित्याक बेर्नाडेट गोम्स हाका हांव खूब वर्सां सावन वळखता तेज्या भितरले कलागुणूय हांव पयले सावन जाणा आनी जरी हौशी चित्रकार आसले तरी ताची चित्रां ही खंयच्याय कमर्शियल आनी प्रोफेशनल चित्रकारा इतल्याच दर्जाची आसात.
Bernadette summed up the theme of her paintings as a celebration of the life that we experience in Goa.
Growing up in Goa is like what it was for me, and the things that I've experienced, the happy moments, all that I have tried to put it on canvas. And this result is actually like a celebration of the life that we live in Goa, at least the joyous moments that we've been through.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.